Good day, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Master David. I'm Victor Adewale Adeleke. Yeah, my major focus is just to teach you mathematics from the onset, even up to tertiary institution. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do it to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends, your relatives, lovers of mathematics, so that when I post helpful materials like this, you will always and certainly get notified. Okay, today we just want to quickly provide solution to one Waec question, a 2025 past question particularly. Now, the question came out in the theory question number 2. It's a worded problem specifically on age, and I deemed it fit that okay, let me provide solution to it. So let me give us the necessary information so that we'll be well abreast with the information for age worded problem, so that when we are going to when we are faced with any external exams again apart from Waec, we'll be able to solve their question without any hesitation. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Now the question is a very simple one. It reads, you can see on the screen, it said the product of the ages of Adu and Tanko is 9 less than Akofa's age. Now, okay, I had to make representations of their ages. I said let Adu's age be A and Tanko's age T, while Akofa's age X. I used A for Akofa, sorry, for Adu, then T for what? For Tanko. Then you can see because I already used A for Adu's age, I had to just improvise by using what? X for what? Akofa's age. Now, the question says the product of the ages of Adu and Tanko is 9 less than Akofa's. Now, one thing you must note is punctuation when you are solving worded problem. Punctuation matters a lot. Punctuation, like full stop, particularly tells you a complete. Whenever you see a full stop in any equation, especially worded problems, it tells you that that is a complete equation of its own that you can bring out, or an assertion of its own, a complete assertion of its own that you can use to provide solution. So now let's see what we can do quickly to this question. How are we going to solve for that? Now the question reads, he said the product of Adu and Tanko's A times what? Times T. The product of Adu and Tanko's age is what? Is 9 less than Akofa's. So 9 less than, this was Akofa's age, so 9 less. So this was one assertion that we can get from the word, from the statement, and there was a full stop there. So this is a complete what? Equation. Now the next one said if Tanko is 4 years older than Adu, if Tanko is 4 years older, Tanko, let's see, Tanko is what? Is 4 years older than Adu. Yes, this is what the question says. That Tanko is 4 years older than Adu. Is if Adu is 6, Tanko is going to be 10. Yes, because he's 4 years older. So if Adu is 12, Tanko is going to be what? 16, because it's always 4 added to what? To Adu's age. That's what makes Tanko's age. So note that. So the next statement said that Adu and Akofa's age is 6 times Tanko's age, and Akofa's age is what? Akofa's age is 6 times what? 6 times Tanko's. Yes. So this is the 3 equations we have been able to what? To deduce from. These are 3 equations that we have been able to deduce from the what? From the statements. Now from here, without wasting much time, let's just do a little substitution. That's what we can do quickly. Okay, let's quickly do a little substitution into this. Just since we have t here, this is t, so we can take the whole of t from equation 2. So we can say substituting what? T from 2 into 1. Yeah, substituting t from what? From 2 into 1. So if you are doing that, you are going to get what? We are having a before, so we have another a plus 4 equals to x minus 9. Then what do we do? Substituting. Okay, let's make this one equation 4. So substituting what? X from 3 into 1. Substituting x from 3 into 1. When we do that, into 4, sorry. Yes, let's use 4. Into 4. This 4 that we have already had. So if you are doing that, you are going to get what? A plus 4, then equals to what is x now from 3? Is what? 6t. Yes, but we need t. So since we already know that t was okay, let me just put 60 so that we don't make too many ambiguities. So 60 minus what? Minus 9. So I think we should make this 5 then. Then from here, what do? We can say substituting now. So this just, if you understand your substitution very well, you know what to do. Substituting what? T from 2 again now into what? Into 5. Yes, into 5. So what do we get now? We get a, then a plus 4, okay, equals 6. What is t now from 2? We have a plus 4, sorry about that, a plus 4, then subtracting 9 from that. So once you've done that, what do? Expand your bracket. You have a square plus 4a equals 6a, plus 6 times 4, we have 24, minus what? Minus your 9. So once you've add this, take everything to the other direction, we have a square. So take everything to the what? To the left hand side. So we have a square plus 4a minus 6a minus 24, then minus what? Minus 9 equals 0. So we know we have 0 now in the right hand side. So from here, what do? Just say a square. So 4a minus 6a, we have minus 2a, and minus 24. This was plus. Yes, that was okay. That was plus. It became minus, so it became plus. Yes, good. It became plus. Very correct. So this is it. So minus 24 plus 4, that would be minus 15. So we get what? Minus 15 equals to 0. So this is what? A quadratic what? Equation. This is a quadratic equation. So what do? You use your quadratic formula. I will create a special video for this particular question. I will use the factorization method and the quadratic formula method. I will drop the link now in the comment section so that you can check on that video and understand how I did how I broke this down. So from here, since we've already had this, you can just say your what? You can just say a square minus, okay, there you say minus 5a, yes, plus 3a, then minus what? We have your minus 15 equals to 0. Yes, this is what you get. So from here, you can break them in twos. You have a square minus 5a, you break it, then plus factorize. Okay, let's not factorize yet. We have 3a minus 15 equals to 0. So factoring out a here, you have a minus 5. Yes, a minus 5. Of course, a minus 5. Then here we are going to get plus. You bring out what now? You bring out 3 out. You have a minus 5 again equals to what? To 0. So knowing that if this all goes back into their bracket, it will return back to this equation. So which means we are adequate and what? And correct. So from here, your final answer is going to be a plus 3 and what? A minus 3 minus 5, sorry, equals to 0. Then from here, everything can be simplified to being that a, since a here is a minus a plus 3, which means a plus 3 equals 0, or a minus 5 equals 0. So a here is equals to minus 3. So Adu's age is minus 3, or Adu's age is what? Is 5. So we cannot take minus 3. It's not possible, because it's a negative answer. Nobody has a negative answer, so you cannot say nobody has a negative age, so you cannot say that Adu's age is minus 3. It's not possible. So we're going to go with what? With a to be equals to what? To be equals to 5. But don't forget, the question is what? If you check the question, look at the screen. The question was, we were told to look for what? We were told to look for Akofa's age. That was the very question they asked, not Adu's age or Tanku's age. So you must be very careful and you must follow instructions. I always tell my students, follow instructions when you are solving questions, especially external exams, because you don't know who is going to mark your question paper. So that is it. So this negative 3 is not, cannot work. So we are taking 5. But since we are taking 5, that's not the answer to the question. We have to look forward, because a lot of students, after doing all this work, they will be happy that they've gotten a definite answer, not a negative, a decimal answer, and they will just rush out of the hall. No, don't do such a mistake. So since you have gotten Adu's age, we can get what? Akofa's age. How can we get Akofa's age? Let's just quickly see. So we have gotten Adu's age to be what? To be positive 5. So Adu is 5 years old. Now let's get Akofa's age. How can we get Akofa's age? We have to get Tanko's first. So since we know that from what? From equation 2, we know that what? That Tanko is equals to A plus 4. So therefore, Tanko will be equals to what is A? A is what? A is 5 plus 4. And we get Tanko's age to be 9 years. So Tanko is 9 years old. Once I've got Tanko, I think we can get Akofa. So therefore, the final answer, Akofa's age was equals to what? Was equals to 6t. And what is t? That was 9. So we got what? 54 years. So this is actually what we are told to look for. This was Akofa's age. That is the value for what? For X. Yes. So Akofa is what? Is 54 years. I know many of us are still confused. Maybe some of us are still confused on how I came from this level, from this quadratic function to this function. So don't bother yourself. Just check on my link below in the comment section. I will drop a video quickly and I'll provide solution to this question using both the factorization method and the quadratic formula method. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay tuned.